Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to create buffer and analysis buffer. If you want to create buffer in QGIS, so it is very important. So please listen carefully this video and like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you. So please help me, just subscribe. So let's start. Here is our some points. We create buffer. For create buffer, we go to vector and geoprocessing tool and we select here buffer and input layer. Your input layer point and distance means buffer distance. We write here 40 and unit meter, and you also change it kilometer, feet as per your requirement. We select here meter and segment 5 and type round. If you want to select flat, square as per your requirement, we select here round. Joint style also round and meter limit 2. Then okay, our buffer is created. If you want to merge buffer as per overlap, for merge overlap buffer, so we create merge overlap buffer. So we remove it and we go to next vector and geoprocessing tool buffer, and we select here input layer distance 40 and segment 5 and type round, join round and meter limit 2, and we select here dissolve result. If you want to merge it to your buffer overlap buffer, so you click here dissolve result and run. Close it. You see here your buffer created. Dissolve means merge. And if you want to analysis how many feature in buffer area, so for analysis you go to again vector and analysis and count point in polygon, how much point come in polygon. So you click here. After it you select here polygon layer, you select here buffer and select here target layer point. After it we run it and close it. You see here count, or you select here count and go to table. You see here number of point 14 come in buffer area. So our process is complete. Buffer creation and analysis means number of count in buffer area. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video.